welcome back to my channel. Myself and Adam have been gifted some things from Ravensburger, and I wanted to open this one. And Adam's going to be impatient because he really wants to put this card in his deck, don't you? So
it would like the Tinkerbell, yeah.
So we're going to open it. We also got given this lovely puzzle, which I won't do right now because that would take me forever, but maybe I can do another video or like speed it up of us doing the puzzle. That'll be fun.
We got a dining table we can not use for a week. Yeah.
Yeah, I actually have one of those special things where you can put your jigsaw away.
Oh, do you? Oh, cool.
Yeah. So, as you can see, we don't really do jigsaws very often. We got given the LORCANA collection starter set. This is the first one they're doing. And it has a little Tinkerbell promo in, has some packs, has a little miniature binder, a card portfolio, and a little guide.
A collector's guide as well, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, excited to see what a collector's guide is. And this is what it says it has in it. Even, you can't really tell on the camera, but even in person, on the box, this is like all foiled and glittery. So should we just crack it open?
Yeah, go for it. I really want the Tinkerbell.
Yeah, you're not bothered about anything else in there, are you?
Just the Tinkerbell. Well, there could be something good in the
I love
back.
the binder.
The binder's good. It's always good to have another binder. Thank you very much, Ravensburger.
I'm having to open it like this because it's a bit tricky. Little peek. This way.
I think this is one of their better products.
Yeah, so it all comes inside this binder.
Oh, all the stuff comes inside the...
Yeah, all the stuff is inside it right now.
Oh, that's really cool.
That's the Mickey. Is this the Brave Tailor?
Brave Tailor.
That's his giant scissors.
Great, yeah, scissors.
All here in this little packet. So we've had little folders like this before. There was a Stitch one and I think a Evil Queen one, but this one doesn't have the big pages in the middle because they gave up on using you know, they did them.
Oh yeah, they did the giant. I found a couple of them the other day in one of your binders.
Yeah, I got them.
They must have not sold very well.
This is what Adam wants. The collector's guide is a lot smaller than I was expecting.
Do you reckon it's a fold out?
I reckon it is, but I would have thought if it was advertised on the box, I thought it would be a bit bigger.
I thought it was a book, yeah.
So this is a special card.
Yeah.
Tinkerbell Giant Fairy.
These used to be different, didn't they? You got it in that weird clothy foil thing before, yeah.
Yeah. Not even like a piece of paper. So this is your guide. Oh, the guide's tiny. It just talks about starting your collection, a never expanding world. I think that's about, yeah, it's all the adding different sets, how to read the information on the cards, different rarities, the apps, and keep them in your new folder to prevent them from wear and tear. I'll be honest, collector's guide is very underwhelming.
Have you learned anything from reading that?
No, I haven't, but it is for new people just getting into the game.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
I'm not expecting to learn anything, but you get a lot more information in a starter deck than you do in this.
I'll admit the rarity's good. Every time I swap to a different game, the rarities always confuse me.
Oh yeah.
You know, Enchanted Epics,
Yeah,
you've got
even
super rares.
You've got this one on your new card. But I guess if you've bought a starter deck, you're looking to play, whereas if you've bought this as your first thing, you might just be looking to collect the cards for now because people like Disney cards. And then there's just some little packs in here, so I thought it'd be nice just to open the packs together. Yeah?
Yeah, it's not a bad little bundle, is it?
No, shall we open them at the same time? And if I'm honest, I'm going to use this to put all my Anna Braving the Storms in, because my collection is growing.
Oh yeah, we have an Anna Braving the Storm bundle.
So here we have a Pluto, Belle, Aladdin, Agrabah, Prince Eric, Coconut Basket, Jafar, Daisy Duck, Card Soldiers, Super Rare, Genie.
And we've learnt that, haven't we? From the guide.
From the guide,
from the
Super
guide.
Rare. But having a super rare before a rare is good. It means the next one's either a super rare or a legendary.
I didn't know that.
Peep-Pan Shadow. Yeah, they always go up in rarity, so you wouldn't have a rare behind a super rare.
Yeah.
And the special foil is... Dun, dun, dun.
I'm stuck.
What banger.
Do you want to reveal this one? You
Yeah.
seem a lot better at it than I am
Oh,
at doing it. You could work at
Yeah.
Whatnot.
you could.
You could work at Whatnot.
I have Be Our Guest, Louisa Madrigal, Tinkerbell. You Can Fly. They're flying around Big Ben, but this is not second star to right now ones.
I swear they're around like the Lumineer thing. Well, not in this one, but that doesn't look like Big Ben.
That's not Big Ben, that's probably the Illuminator.
Yeah,
Big
yeah.
Ben is the other one. Hercules, Jasmine, Nanny, Smash, Borders and Eggs, Winnie the Pooh.
So if it's a rare, does it mean the next one could just be a super rare?
The next one could be a super rare or rare, it could be anything.
But it can be a legendary. Oh, it could be anything.
Yeah, it can be
Oh.
anything. It's just you can't have a rarity lower.
Yeah,
than
yeah.
it,
Oh,
unless
okay.
it's the foil.
So I haven't opened enough packs to know this. It's cool. Eh?
Legendary! That's good.
I could fill a landfill with how many Corella Devils we
That
have.
is not true.
I swear I've seen that card so many
This is
times.
probably like our 5th or 6th.
Oh.
We open a lot of packs.
Make this
He's-
card playable.
He's exaggerating. And then we have Shiny Varana.
I'm sat on a gold mine. Make Corella playable.
We have way more Max Goose than we do Corellas.
Yeah, and that's becoming playable.
He's done it. Queen, Rose Lantern, Hidden Cove, Queen of Hearts. We're doing quickfire. Prince Naveen, Maid Marian, Cinderella, Maui's Place of Exile, the Queen, Moana, Lumiere, Shiny Mulan. She gets played.
I like the Mulan.
Yeah.
I've always liked the Mulan.
Last one. Stitch. Dolores.
Good
Do
card.
people still play her in Pokemon?
Yeah, yeah. I saw Diego using it.
Improvise, that's in my current deck. Moana. Ariel. Louis. Sven. Mother Knows Best. Be King Undisputed. Pluto. It's in someone's deck at League.
Mm.
Shere Khan. Shiny one.
Is that a one? I was gonna run one jump, so it's nice that we have
Yeah,
a
that's
foil with
nice.
it now.
Yeah. So that's everything that's in the box. I'm pretty sure though, it's £20, and you'd spend £20 just to get your 4 packs. So you get your special card as an extra and your folder as an extra.
Yeah. I mean, like, if you're, like, I guess from a player like myself who plays competitive decks and blings them out, if you're wanting to just buy this, you might as well just get the 4 packs with it
Yeah.
to get it, you know, just not taking away from the fun of this. I think that's pretty cool. And I think it's nice that they've gone for a collector's view because, like, Pokemon and the other games have such big collector scenes.
Yeah.
I
And
can't see why this game wouldn't.
And sometimes I give my friends just cards from the movies they like. They don't really. They might want to get into playing it eventually, but right now it's just nice for them to have some nice cards.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's worth it.
I think the whole bundle's great.
Yeah, and I actually have one of these on pre-order because I didn't obviously know we were going to be gifted one. So in a couple of weeks, I get to go pick up another one.
Oh, nice. Get
Okay.
2.
2 Anna Braving the Storm folders.
We probably need 2 Anna Braving the Storm folders.
I have enough maybe to nearly fill this one. And there's quite a few pages. If you didn't know, I'm collecting as many Anna Braving the Storms as I can, and then kind of get as many signed as I can from anyone really. So if you ever have an Anna Braving the Storm, send it my way.
Send it. We'll get a PO box for Anna Braving
Yeah.
the Storms.
So thanks for watching the video. We will see you in the next one, which might be a jigsaw one. Bye.
Bye, everyone.